how to fix Roblox error code 403. So if this video tutorial helped you, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So let's go and head on to our desktop. So what you need to do first is to go to your task manager by right clicking on the taskbar, and if you see any processes of Roblox under the processes tab, just search for it and then click on it if it is the Roblox, and then end task, so that there will be no more Roblox running on the background. And first thing to do is go to your settings, go to network and internet, and go to VPN, and make sure that there is no VPN running for you or added in your computer so that we will not get the error code. And the next thing to do is go to the search button here and type in run, and type in %app data %. So this will lead you to the roaming data of your computer. So if you tap on run, you will see something just like this one, where you could see the app data of your computer. So go to the Roblox and just delete it. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.